Ahoy there! So, try number 3, springtime, we made it. Look at that. Wow. Turns out if you don't have any air leaks, your air system airs up pretty quickly. Huh. Something you haven't actually seen me do before. I ran out the generator. We're going to check the fluids on this baby, make sure it's good to go. Check antifreeze. All right, we're good there. All right, next, we're going to check the oil. Which amazingly, can you see that? Even though we are, look at this thing, leaks oil everywhere, yet it's never low on oil. We're gonna go ahead and light this baby off, see if it'll start. Now we're gonna show you a neat little trick. How cool is that?
There's our ride.
Okay, so I'm not going to do my usual ahoy there, loud jackass stuff, because I don't know if you can see. Check that out, huh? We're in a beautiful campground right now. So we have responsibly removed all the winterizing chemicals from the bus, and now we're putting water in. I'll show you how this is working. So this is where our low water drain and propane and all that stuff is. It's where we keep all the hoses, and that's not super tidy right now because we're still packing and unpacking. This is our awesome hose. We'll leave a link in the description for where to get these. It's called a zero gravity hose. And I tell you what, this thing is just great. It's like fabric covered and it collapses really small, but it doesn't have any weird gimmicks, like slinkies or whatever. So this is my adjustable water pressure gauge that I use to avoid blowing up our system. As you can see, I keep it at a very conservative 30 PSI. Now what's happening is this is running up over here. And see, it's just running right into there. Now the way it works on the Wonder Lodge is this thing here. Up at the top is to fill the tank. They call it like a spigot valve or something. I don't know, I'll put it in the description. When it's down, that's how to run on city water. Do a quick walk around of our dirty bus. Look at that, huh? Really glad you guys come along. It feels excessive for just the 3 of us to be able to enjoy something like this by ourselves. We have to film Kodiak stuff the rest of the time because, well, we're on Kodiak. Now our flight options and boat options off of Kodiak are kind of limited this year. It's a long story, but bottom line is we're not going to have the availability to come over here that we'd hoped for. But we're still going to come over as often as we can, and when we do, we'll be bringing you guys along.
So after we got the bus cleaned, Morgan and I did some shopping and stocking up, and we came out to this.
Things didn't go exactly according to plan. Check this out. See if we can get the light to come on. if you can see that. Oh, it's all the water's run out, but we had a little bit of a flood in here. Bummer. Did the water heater fail? Did the trip come to an end? Check with us next week.